Hello, friends. Today I was feeling scared. I thought I was too small for a big challenge, but Dad told me a story. A story about a tiny bird and a very big storm. Let's listen together. Dad?
Yes, Leo?
I don't think I can do it.
Do what?
My school presentation.
I'm sure you can.
What if I forget my words?
What if you don't?
What if everyone laughs?
What if they don't?
I'm scared.
That's normal.
It is?
Everyone feels afraid sometimes.
Even you?
Even me.
Really?
Let me tell you a story. Long ago, in a beautiful forest, there lived a tiny bird. His name was Pip.
Good morning, everyone.
Pip was very small, smaller than most birds. Some animals laughed at him.
You are tiny. You are too small.
Maybe.
You can't do much.
We'll see.
One afternoon, the sky became dark, very dark.
What is happening?
A storm is coming.
A storm?
A very big one.
The wind became stronger. The trees began to shake. The clouds covered the sky.
I'm scared.
The animals started hiding.
I'm going home. Hide quickly.
The storm is too dangerous.
Should I hide too?
Pip looked at the sky. He felt very small.
I can't fight a storm. I'm just a tiny bird.
Then Pip remembered something. His mother once told him,
Pip,
Yes, Mom.
when life becomes difficult, do not fear the wind.
What should I do?
Learn from it. Use it.
Use the wind?
Yes.
The storm was getting closer. The wind roared loudly.
I can hide. Or I can try. I'm afraid. But I won't give up.
And then, Pip opened his wings. Pip flew into the wind.
Whoa,
The wind pushed him back,
this is hard.
but he kept flying.
I won't stop.
He adjusted his wings. He learned from the wind. He became stronger.
I can do this.
Pip flew higher, and higher, and higher. Wow! Suddenly, he broke through the clouds.
Wow, the sun.
Below him was the storm. But above him, there was only sunshine. I made it.
I made it.
Wow. Pip didn't quit.
No. He faced the storm.
Even when he was afraid.
Exactly.
So being brave doesn't mean no fear?
Correct. Being brave means moving forward despite fear.
I understand.
How do you feel now?
Better,
Why?
because I was looking at the storm, not the sunshine above it.
Exactly.
I can do my presentation.
That's my boy.
Let's practice together. Repeat after me. I am stronger than my fear. I can face challenges. I will not give up. Every obstacle helps me grow. I am brave. I am capable. I am ready. I can succeed better because I was looking at the storm, not the sunshine above it. I can do my presentation. Friends, what storm are you facing today? An exam? A challenge? Something difficult? Tell me in the comments. And remember, like Pip, you are stronger than you think. Keep learning, keep growing, and never give up. See you next time. Bye, friends.